There's no vaccine that is, safe and effective.
A lawyer assisting Robert F. Kennedy Jr. in choosing officials for his new role as head of the Health and Human Services Department has petitioned the government to revoke its approval of the polio vaccine.
So if you say to me that the polio vaccine was effective against polio, I'm going to say yes. And if you say to me, did it kill more people, did it cause more deaths than avert, I would say, I don't know, because we don't have the data on that.
The move comes as fears rise about Kennedy's past vaccine skepticism, which he will be able to take action on if the Senate confirms him to lead the HHS. Kennedy said he doesn't want to take away vaccines for people to use, but wants to improve the science on vaccine safety so that people can make, quote, informed choices. Aaron Siri, the lawyer, is also petitioning the Food and Drug Administration to suspend or withdraw approval of the hepatitis B vaccine, along with asking, quote, to pause distribution of 13 other vaccines. Those include combination products that cover tetanus, diphtheria, polio, and hepatitis A.
If vaccines are working for somebody, I'm not going to take them away. People ought to have a choice, and that choice ought to be informed by the best information. So I'm going to make sure the scientific safety studies and efficacies are out there, and people can make individual assessments.
Siri is doing so until their makers disclose the use of aluminum in the products, which has been associated with an increase in asthma cases. President-elect Donald Trump has had his share of vaccine skepticism in the past, but admitted the polio shot, quote, is the greatest thing.
I'm not against vaccines. The polio vaccine is the greatest thing. If somebody told me get rid of the polio vaccine, they're going to have to work real hard to convince me.
Kennedy likely has a steep hill to climb to be confirmed, but if he is, Siri will help pick the health officials alongside him.